Yeah, bún chả, like one, or shrimp wonton and 50 shrimp nasi. So like you need to mix properly the roll ball. We are having is the roll. One is mean roll in English, and I want to mix. Yeah, you should go like this. Yeah, horizontal, right? Horizontal. Okay, and then we roll it. The tighter the roll is, the deliciouser, the more delicious. Yeah, the more delicious.
Hey travel buddies, welcome back to our Hanoi adventure. Today is day 2, and we're super excited because we're diving into the heart of Hanoi's culinary scene with an amazing food tour. Let's get started.
Dapat talagang may libre kang isang oras. Dahil itong lugar na to sa araw.
First thing we did was try to book a grab car, but sometimes in Hanoi, getting a car right away can be a bit tricky. So, instead of waiting around, we decided to take a walk toward the travel agency to keep things moving. By the way, if you find this video a bit long because we're sharing our actual walking experience through the bustling streets of Hanoi and other fun activities, feel free to use the slider below to jump to the chapters that interest you the most. We booked our tour through the Klook website. Just search for the Old Quarter Food Tour with train street visit option. It was $75 for 2 people, which we thought was a great deal for all the delicious food and unique experiences we were about to enjoy. It took us about a 15-minute walk to the Crossing Travel Agency.
And I will tell you later. Yeah, it's great. And one more dish. Like right now, I want to recommend you guys a lot of options, like Trang pork sausage, pork grilled sausage, yeah, bún chả, bánh cuốn, or shrimp wonton and crispy shrimp pastry.
Okay.
For this morning, it's a little bit crowded, so like I decided to move the train experience on top.
Oh, okay.
So like we will not miss any train because like you guys know the traffic is a little bit,
Yes.
and we need to came there like sooner about 1 hour, and estimate according to me the train is gonna depart or pass us in 10 a.m. and we have to arrive before it. And right now I think it's the perfect time to arrive there. And let me see. We also have a dessert and a coffee experience at the buffet shop. Buffet. Yeah, it's a buffet. Sorry for my poor vocabulary. And today is gonna be a little bit hot or like super hot. I don't know. Like the northern Vietnam weather is unpredictable. So like you always need to be careful. Like apply the sunscreen or like hydrate yourself. And like do a lot of things related to like defend, even though I'm not applying any sunscreen to myself because I'm working. Okay.
We met awesome Kabayan friends from the Philippines in our group tour. It's always wonderful to connect with fellow travelers.
We are heading to the train street, and the train street that we are going is the one going to the south. The word like honey. Yeah, sweet words. Yeah, the sweet word. To visit, and 50 people other 50%. Yeah. They don't like human.
Oh, they don't like human.
Maybe just a foreigner because it's difficult to speak in English.
Yeah, even Vietnamese, they don't welcome them. Yeah.
Oh.
When I came to like every Vietnamese restaurant to having breakfast with my friends or like having a dish, they're gonna be super aggressive. They're gonna be like, sit, hurry. Like we have an underground rules that every normal restaurant in Vietnam, we just able to sit for like 30 minutes.
Oh.
So like I have to change a lot of my blood and my sweat and my money to like find the restaurant that we can sit for a long time. Ninh Bình, yeah.
Yes, the other day.
Yeah, it's a good itinerary.
Yeah. So, and then we wanted to do the food tour today, on our first day, but because our flight came in quite late, so we decided not to and just book it today.
Okay. So like today I'm gonna have a lot of information for you in Vietnam.
Yeah. Because even though we were trying all the Vietnamese food for the past few days, we didn't know anything about it. We just wanted to try, but having some knowledge about it and context is we're pretty good. So
Yeah, because before they are being scammed. Like a normal dish, you have to pay.
if you don't, what I learned for the past few days is if you don't want to speak English, you just point.
Oh, okay.
Less talking, the cheaper the price.
Oh. Let me see. Normally, for a dish in Vietnam,
Yes.
it's gonna in Hanoi only. Yeah, because the price in Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City are really different. Hanoi only like for 50K.
Yeah.
I think the better shops are there.
Okay, we have arrived.
You can still see the train.
Why there's no one? Firstly, we arrived really soon. And secondly, this morning. Okay, let's go. the toothpaste. It's a little bit wrong, yes. It's gonna be 12:40. So like to make the time, like to kill the time that we are staying here, I'm gonna let you guys try the Easter egg, which is called like whoa, wait a minute, because the name is a little bit long. The rice paper cake. Yeah, but like in Vietnam version, like in Vietnam, the rice paper cake is diverse, that you can mix everything together, and they're gonna have like a lot of different version. Like you can have the rice paper cake with cheese powder, yeah, or you can have the rice paper cake with a chili sauce. No, not chili sauce, chili pepper, and more, yeah. And the one that I'm gonna let you guys try is the one has butter and chili pepper and more. Yes. And let me see. The store gonna be open in 10:30, so that we can And right now, yeah, it's drinking time.
You order coconut
Smoothie
right?
and coffee.
City coconut coffee.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, here.
One is from the People's newspaper, and it's gonna tell about like 79th anniversary. Okay, so in here you're gonna see the railways and some small buildings like that. It's gonna be represent for all Vietnamese railway system. And that is the Saigon Railway, which is Ho Chi Minh City Railway. Yeah.
Sabi ko sa kanya, i-follow niya kasi pareha sila ng vibe. So pwede siya maging Vietnamese rama. Kasi sobrang sikat din naman. Medyo sarcastic na lang.
While waiting for the train at 11:45 a.m., we took a leisurely walk to a nearby park. Be sure to check out the schedule here, so next time you visit the train station, you'll know exactly when to expect the train. Many tourists love the adrenaline rush of watching trains speed by so closely, creating a thrilling near-death experience that really gets their hearts racing. This unique and exhilarating moment offers an unforgettable glimpse into the vibrant energy of Hanoi.
And
Banh.
banh.
Banh mi.
Banh.
Banh mì.
Yeah,
Banh mì.
like that. Bánh mì. It's not
Bánh mì.
bánh mì. It's not bánh mì. It's bánh mì.
Banh mì.
Yeah.
Banh mì.
How do you say thank you?
Cảm ơn. Yeah, but like
Cảm
usually
ơn.
Vietnamese will say to each other with three syllables. So we're gonna say xin cảm ơn.
Xin.
Yeah. The word xin is like in formal way to show our respect to the other. So we're gonna say xin before everything, like xin chào. Yeah.
What do you say when you drink? The to.
One, two, three, cheers, right? 1, 2, 3, rộ. 2, 3, rộ. 2, 3, rộ.
Hai ba.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is mean 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
And yo.
Yo, yeah, that one. Yo.
Like that.
In the Philippines, it's A.
Gen Z? Hey.
We should teach him A.
For us Gen Z, we're gonna be like we don't. Oh, wait a minute. May to operate.
After witnessing the train rush by so close, we're now heading back to the old quarter to continue our delicious food tour.
Vâng. Vâng ạ. Nếu mà được thì thêm luôn bây giờ ạ. Dạ vâng. Vâng. Mời em chào chị. Okay. What did you miss?
I was asking you if you drink. No, I think you said no, and then why? I was asking.
Why? No, not my parents because.
Do the Korean drinking game.
Oh my god. For me, if I am playing that game, I'm gonna replace with Coke. Because like even though I don't have any alcohol in my body, I'm gonna be so crazy.
It's okay.
Yeah, like during my first year and second year, I'm like I'm hyping a lot. Like I am having like too much energy and too much engine. Yeah, right now I think
Fuel. Didn't sleep. Yeah, you do have high energy.
yeah.
It's very important to be a tour guide.
Thank you.
You're still young, so
Yeah, I hope that like before I got my bike hurt. Yeah, I can travel at least one country outside Vietnam.
You should.
what is money paper only?
Or maybe when I die, I will use the money under the house to travel.
What are you studying in university?
My major is tourism, but like
Oh.
culture tourism.
HRM shot.
So it's
Mostly
really.
people right now leaning to the business tourism.
Oh.
So like they are gonna be professional. They're gonna be like a super sweet word, and they are the scammer. I have to say like they are the scammer because like they are really two-faced people, especially who work on the business in Vietnam. I see all of my lecturers who work who study in the culture side and the business side. They have the different vibe. The culture side, they inspire me. They make me want to study and do the science research. That is the reason why I am really suffering right now because of the science research. And for the business teacher, they just like, oh my gosh, the life is so hard, so you need to be sure. They don't care about leading in they don't care about like kick them away.
Galing ng kwento niya.
When all of my culture teacher move away, we who follow them being like treat like untreat well, like unbalanced, unequal. Yeah, unequal treat. Like even though we are doing hard, like we are way better than the business. Yeah. But like we still got a low rate.
Oh, they said there's a good milk tea here.
Which one?
This one, the Fela.
Oh yeah, they have like
A good
a
milk
feel of, and I am a part of that.
You keep the economy alive.
Yes. Pero sa atin, di ba, sa mga Starbucks, laging mga estudyante.
So what they say, Starbucks here is just like normal.
In our country, is
The students also
Yeah.
keep the business amenities.
Because for me, when I was studying in university, I love going into a coffee shop to study, and so we stayed there for quite some time. So
Outside here?
yes, outside
Yeah.
here. But yeah,
Do you see like a lot of people gossip or like
it's maybe because it's Friday.
it's Friday? Oh, Friday is the perfect time to gossiping. Yeah, like yesterday we just got gossip in a in a coffee shop.
Do you play any sports?
Me, I don't. Because I was too lazy staying at home and do the gossip thing. Especially I have a lot of beef with the students following the business side. The cultural side and the business side always like a lot of understanding. And right now about the internship that I am having right now is my second week. I don't like the job that I am doing on. Not this one. The one on my family. Yeah.
Okay.
And like mostly we are like village compared to them. For them they just know how to talk like sweetly and make people on their side. Yes. I want to burn them. I want to burn my university.
Para tayong therapist niya.
And on your front is
Free
Plum,
ano pala?
is one of the also famous but not famous as Villa.
Which one?
Plum on your
Long.
We also have
Footlong sausage. Like in Subway, it's footlong. May entry ko, may entry ako.
Pwede ka.
Footlong sandwich.
That one. Okay.
Yeah.
Ito si
And we gonna get out on the side.
Okay, so our first restaurant is on this one. Let's go.
Oh my God. Meron din pala sa kabila.
And like this dish used to be a bomb in Vietnam during the years of 2010. In that time, like
After enjoying our banh mi and a delightful ice cream dessert with sticky rice, we're now off to our next destination.
Grabe daanan natin.
We are having is the roll pho. The reason why I name it roll pho is because I was too lazy to say pho. One is mean roll in English, and I want to mix between Vietnamese and English to use the plain thing like this. And then they put it, they tear it into like a smaller one, like and then it's gonna be a flat shape like this. And after that, they're gonna add some lettuce, some beef, and then they roll it together, and they walk.
Is this summer roll?
So like you need to mix from the bottom,
Okay.
only the roll pho.
After savoring some unique Vietnamese dishes, we walked for about 20 to 30 minutes toward our final stop on the food tour. It felt like we got a little lost along the way, adding an unexpected adventure to our day. Since we went over the original schedule, which was supposed to wrap up at 11 a.m., our tour was extended until 2 p.m. Additionally, our tour guide wasn't able to take us to the spring roll shop, so Hui decided to order grab food, and they delivered to the coffee shop.
last na kinain. Helmet yata. Oo nga eh. And, alam ko hindi nga coffee shop pa itong pupuntahan natin eh. Grilled sausage. Nasa Binondo na nga tayo. Parang nila-document ko lang yung hindi kami tipong nagsasabi na nagsasalita. Di ba, grabe kung magsasalita pa, di ba? Kamusta na? Ini-edit ko pa din. Kaya konti lang subs. Ma-effort girl. Oo nga, inikot na natin actually. Parang malayo pa din. $135 na nga eh. Alam niya ba talaga? Marami sa Ho Chi Minh. Nandun nata factory.
Finally, we arrived at the coffee shop. Originally, we had planned to visit a grilled meat restaurant. But due to time constraints, we decided to settle for this charming coffee shop instead.
Finally.
Me, Maya.
Okay.
Iced tea.
Yeah, I have washed my hands, so it's okay. So, to eat this, we use bare hand. Yeah, the chopstick just for the decoration. Okay. Okay, and everyone, attention. We're gonna have to prepare the rice paper cake first, and we will eat in order. Yeah, like so. We will let the rice paper cake in here, and then we're gonna tear the lettuce into 1/3 compared to the rice paper cake like this. And after that, we just use the chopstick to grab the ingredients only. Yes, every process when we eating, we use our bare hands. Okay, except like taking the ingredients. Okay. And we're gonna take this one is the fried bread. Yeah, also the fried bread, but like the crunchier bread for the crunchy stuff. Yeah, some Nha Trang pork sausage for the sweetness. Oh my god, really good, really very demure, very mindful. And the baby mango. Okay, we put in here, and after that we're gonna have the cucumber or like a that was up. If you like, you can decorate more. And after that, we're gonna start from this way, from the way it has a lot of toppings. Yeah, you should go like this. Yeah, horizontal, right? Horizontal. Okay, and then we roll it. The tighter the roll is, the deliciouser, the more delicious. Yeah, the more delicious. Yeah.
It's
And
rolled
this
already.
is yours. And I have prepared like two cup of sauce, and this sauce is nearly like the porridge.
The porridge.
Yeah, the porridge.
Oh.
And to eat this, you need to be
it's hot.
dip. Yeah, it's hot. Dip it and then hold it with your hand because we only have a bowl of sauce.
Oh.
Actually,
that?
yeah, dip and then when
Hold by hand.
yeah, hold by your hand. Okay, let me help you with that.
And that's a wrap for day 2 of our Hanoi trip. It was a fantastic experience filled with great food, new friends, and unforgettable moments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Out2 Travel for more travel stories, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you on our next adventure. Happy travels!